A very refreshing good morning to all my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine, safe and secure at your homes. We are also fine here, but we miss you a lot. Here classrooms are empty, grounds are barren without you, nobody is here and there is no any noise in the corridors. We really miss you. Everything is going on there like exams, other things, competitions, online, so many things are there, but we miss you. You are not here. So today we gathered here to celebrate a Children's Day. First, we are going to together wish you a happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. So, kids, you are very important in the life of your parents as well as teacher, because you are a precious gem of parents. If you do good to them or you obey them, then you become more precious to them. And childhood is a best time to enjoy the life. Afterwards, you are unable to do the things. Now itself is a time for you. So my dear kids, create a beautiful memories. So later you will cherish that memories. Otherwise, you will just miss that. Why I don't did that in my very childhood. Children, you are like the birds in the garden, and it's the responsibility of teachers as well as the parents to nurture you carefully as well as lovingly. It is also the quotation of Swami Vivekananda that children are like the wet cement. It is us who give them the shape. Whatever shape we give them, they act accordingly. So it is the very must responsibility of ours to give them a proper shape. So today there is something interesting for you, surprise for you, and ma'am will tell you that surprise.
A small story about two siblings, Rinki and Tinku, studying in same class. Both were very intelligent, but Rinku scored more marks than Rinki. So they insist their father to buy a new bicycle.
Bicycle. Yes. I think all of you enjoy riding bicycle, isn't it?
Yes. So father laid down a condition that whoever will score full marks or high marks, she or he will get bicycle.
Okay.
So after hearing their father's word, they started studying.
Okay. Ma'am, I want to ask you something. How they study?
Ma'am, please will you tell?
Both study with their methods. So Rinku study the important questions, but Rinki study the whole content because she was a fond of book, fond of read.
Okay.
So that's why she covered the entire syllabus.
Then what happened next, ma'am?
But Rinku teased her sister that your study that is useless because you complete the entire syllabus.
Brother sister was happy.
Yes.
Habitual to tease.
So he
Teasing and fighting.
Yes. So he teased her. But Rinki replied that I don't want any shortcut, but I want the whole study because whatever questions will asked, they will come from the book. So that's why she is preparing the all content.
Okay.
Then with the time the exam started and over, and after that what was the result?
Curiosity. Who got the first position, ma'am? Who got the first position?
Sadly, the first position that was got by brother and sister, she got second position.
Okay.
After that, father gave that bicycle to his child, and
again I'm going to
riding.
interrupt you. I want to ask you a question. What we normally do after get a good news or after declaration of our results?
Surely celebration is there.
Celebration, eating, enjoyment.
Yes.
I really enjoy this.
So they also went to the restaurant for the celebration. And when they came back to the home, in the way they saw some promoters of bicycle which promote their bicycle, and they also had a quiz competition there. So Rinku and Rinki also participated
Okay.
and they started the questions there. But in the end, what happened?
I think definitely that boy will become winner like the previous.
No.
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 Okay.
Rinki attempted all the questions, but Rinku got confused, and
Okay.
in the end,
The
she
very-
was the winner.
Oh.
Yes, in the end, she was the winner, and what was the reason for that? Because she complete the entire syllabus. She doesn't only study the important one question, so that is the main reason for the winnership. So she was the winner, and she got bicycle and other gift hampers from the promoters.
Okay. And
Yes.
she feel really happy.
Yes,
afterwards.
and
Because
she
both got now cycle.
Yes,
na?
then she
And my
feel-
dear students, what you learn from the story? Ma'am will tell you the moral of the story. That what we learned from the story that was told by ma'am.
So the moral of the story is we should not only study for the marks, we should study for the knowledge too.
Yes, in order to get knowledge, a deep study of any topic or anything is very important. Here, in addition to it, I am going to give you an example of Mark Zuckerberg. He is a founder of, or he is a CEO of Facebook. And secondly, Malala Yousafzai, she is she fight against the girl education in a remote country like Pakistan. So they do a great works. They did the great works in their childhood. She is just 14 when she start, and Mark is just at 14 when she start doing work on Facebook. And when he attained 18, he is a successful CEO. So my dear students, age doesn't matter. Now itself you make a select a specific goal of your life and do work accordingly. Select an important things, read beautiful magazines or knowledgeable books, so that now itself you start gathering a material to attain your goal in life. And I request all of you to do a deep study of all of your chapters and content, so that you will become a successful citizen, a successful child of your parents.
So
here
this is the real education.
real education. And again here we are going to wish you a happy Children's
Children's
Day.
Day.
With addition to it, there is so much more for you, my dear children. We teachers prepared so many items for you, so that at home you can enjoy and feel your presence here in the school. So, ma'am,
Ma'am, please tell me, in order to wish someone, what we do?
ma'am, normally we sing songs. Obviously, we sing songs when we order to wish someone, like happy birthday to you,
yeah.
like this, na?
Okay,
Yeah.
so here are your loving teachers present a wishing song for you.
Okay, so my dear
Yes.
students, enjoy the wishing song by your loving teachers.
Hello students, we are here to wish you Happy Children's Day with a song. We hope you like our song.
Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. You are the light in the darkness. You are the light in the darkness. You are the future of the nation. You are the future of the nation. You are children, you want to shine. You are children, you want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's of the future. You are children, you want to fly. You are children, you want to fly. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. You are sweet and cute. You are sweet and cute. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Now, like we all live in Punjab, and what is famous for Punjabis? Ma'am, please answer my question. Both of you.
Sweet.
I think you are from Himachal. You also better know of Punjab.
Oh, it's Bhangra.
For Punjabis, Bhangra is a very important thing when we do our celebration.
Yes.
So here, my dear students, your teachers prepared our dance performance, Bhangra performance for you. And be ready and get ready. Also do Bhangra with them. So enjoy a Bhangra performance.
कैंडल लाइट नेरा दे वादे करके सुने सुने चन्ना तेरे कैंडल लाइट नेरा दे वादे करके सुने सुने चन्ना तेरे लारे मर गए हाथ रोड़ लई बड़े पानी भरे तू ना अज कल साडे नेड़े तेरे घरे तू जे मैं झूठ ना है सैंदी सजना जे तू सिद्धा सिद्धा मेरे नाल निबड़िया कर जे मैं प्यार नाल रही सजना ना तू विगड़िया करी ना तू विगड़िया करी मैं प्यार नाल रही सजना ना तू विगड़िया करी ना तू विगड़िया करी मैं प्यार नाल रही सजना
Now my dear students, I request one thing to you, that please stay at home and stay safe. Don't unnecessarily go anywhere in the crowded places. It may be harmful for you. Always wear mask and always sanitize the things. Wash your hands frequently, and again all the best for your exams, and again a happy Children's Day.